Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can switch between the front selfie camera and the back camera on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro or the Mini or the Pro Max. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Camera, and once the camera app has opened, to be able to switch between the front selfie camera and the back camera, what you can do is tap on this switch button at the bottom. So you tap on that. That will allow you to switch between the front camera and the back camera. And that's it. So tap on that button. It will allow you to use the front camera at the top right here. If you tap on it, it will use the back camera at the back right there. Now the front selfie camera resolution is a little bit lower than the back. The back always has a higher resolution because of a larger lens at the back right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.